Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's dive into a rich aromatic Kerala style Neymeen Curry simmered in creamy coconut milk. Take 1 kilogram of fresh Neymeen clean and ready for magic. For frying, add salt to taste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix everything nicely until fish is well coated. Let it rest for 30 minutes to soak all the flavors. Heat a pan and pour in 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add curry leaves and enjoy the crackling aroma. Fry the marinated Neymeen fish for 2 minutes on both sides until half cooked, juicy and lightly crispy. Remove all the fish once half cooked and keep aside. In same pan, add 2 big onion chopped and add 3 green chilies for a fresh spicy punch and stir fry it nicely. Add 20 grams of finely chopped ginger and garlic for warmth and depth. Fry until the onions turns beautifully golden brown color. Add 1 chopped tomato and let it soften into the masala. Add coriander leaves and stir it, releasing a fresh herbal aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder for rich color and mild heat. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 3/4 tablespoon of pepper powder and stir it nicely for a spicy kick. Add a pinch of fenugreek powder and a pinch of jeera powder for traditional touch and mix everything well. Pour in tamarind water for sour flavors, balancing rich spices and enhancing the curry's taste. Add rock salt to taste and stir it gently. Add 50 milliliters of thick coconut milk, which adds creaminess and a subtle sweetness, and stir until silky and smooth texture. Gently add the half-fried Neymeen and carefully mix without breaking the Neymeen pieces, allowing the rich gravy to coat evenly so every spices is perfectly absorbed. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And there you have it, traditional Kerala style Neymeen curry with the coconut milk, rich and spicy, packed with protein, healthy fats, a soulful dish that nourishes the body and satisfies every cravings. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.